Hey everybody, Scott Jansen here. And have you ever wondered why your content, your Facebook Lives, your videos, your posts, and your announcements are just not getting any traction? Are you stuck trying to turn your content into paying clients or even getting the right clientele to see the awesome content that you're creating that's answering their questions? Well, if this is the case and you're struggling to come up with ideas for your content, you don't know what to do your Facebook Lives about, your videos about, or even what to post about, and even when you do, no one's liking, sharing, commenting, or even reaching out to you to book a session with you, well, this video is for you. Guys, I'm going to show you one free tool of where you can find unlimited amounts of content ideas for your content marketing plan without having to pay for anything, without having to guess or even wondering what you should be creating content about. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the #1 tool that we use to create unlimited content, from videos to posts to announcement to Twitter to YouTube to LinkedIn and across all the social media platforms, so you never have to think about the right content again. And it's this content, guys, and following this specific protocol that is going to turn your content into actual paying clients that's going to help grow your coaching, hypnotherapy, NLP, RTT, or even healing business from scratch very, very quickly, guys. So enjoy the video. Let's plan out the unlimited amount of content that you can create by following this one free step. I'll see you in the content. All right, guys, so here we go. So what I'm going to take you into is a free platform that if you're not using this in your business, whether you're a coach, you're in hypnotherapy, you're a health coach, you're doing RTT, or you're doing NLP, or even if you're a healer, if you are not using this free platform to create your content schedule and to create your posts, your announcements, your YouTube videos, even your Facebook Lives, you are leaving a ton of money on the table. Now, here's the thing, guys. This is like my golden rule when it comes to creating content and what we teach all of our students as well. When it comes to creating content like videos, posts, announcements, blogs, anything where you're trying to prove your expertise, you never want to be guessing. So what I mean by guessing, anytime that let's say you're working on your business, you're creating content, and you start to ask yourself this question like, I wonder what my blog should be about. I wonder what I should make a video about. I wonder what I should write a post about. Anytime you're wondering or thinking or guessing as to what your niche wants to hear, you are doing it the wrong way. Okay, and that's the most easy way to explain that and to be really clear and really blunt. You never want to be guessing. Because what can happen, we're all qualified, we're in coaches, we're in therapy, we have this influx of information inside our head that we want to share with people. But 9 times out of 10, the content that you're sharing is the stuff that you want your niche to hear. It's what you want your niche to understand. It's what you want to teach your niche. And here's the one thing about people. People aren't wondering what you want to teach them. People are actively looking to have their questions answered and their problems resolved by going online, using the internet, using Google, using Facebook, and even using YouTube to have their questions answered. So why on earth would you be guessing as to what questions your clients could have for you that you could turn those people that read all your content or watch your videos into paying clients? Why would you want to guess? Guessing is always going to get wrong. So what we use, guys, and one of the easiest ways to find out what are your niche talking about? What are they wondering about? What questions do they have? And ultimately, you can create content asking these questions, get the right eyes on your content, and have people reading your content and watching your video saying, wow, that's exactly what I wanted to know. This makes a lot of sense. This seems like this person's an expert. I better contact them because I want to work with them further. You never want to be guessing. Even if you're waking up in the morning, you're getting to your business, maybe you're working from home, you're sitting at your desk at 9 a.m. in the morning, and you're thinking, what content should I create? How am I going to get a client today? I wonder what my niche is asking. How am I going to get my content in front of the right niche? Anytime you're thinking or wondering, guys, you're doing it the wrong way. What we want to do is go to the source. So anytime that I'm creating content for my coaching business, when I'm teaching my students to create content for the hypnotherapy, RTT, NLP, coaching, health coaching business, we always tell them to do research first, to go looking for the questions that your niche has and create content answering those questions, because then you're answering the right things. You're creating content that you know people are actually looking for. and it saves on guessing, it saves on wondering, and it saves on creating all of this awesome content that nobody reads and nobody watches, because none of the people that you're creating it for care about those things that you're creating. So one of the ways we can do this is I'm going to get you to come over to a free platform. And like I said, this is just absolutely genius, this platform. And it's called Answer the Public. So come over to Google, type in ask the public, sorry. Okay, sometimes ask, sometimes answer. It is actually answer. Don't worry about the ask the public. That's what I thought it was called. There we are, Answer the Public. So Answer the Public, that is a free visual keyword research and content tool. So what is this? Well, what this platform does is it collects all the searches, all the questions that have been asked on Google and puts them all in the one place. So all the answers that we're going to get from Answer the Public are literally things that your niche is typing into Google, like how to overcome my anxiety, how to lose weight on my keto diet, how to get rid of a toxic relationship, how to have a better relationship with my kids, how to overcome my fear of flying, how do I overcome my phobia of spiders, whatever it is. This platform is going to pull all this data together in one place. And this is why this thing is so unbelievably powerful. And guys, it's free to use. So come over to Answer the Public. Once you're here, just click obviously on Answer the Public. I'm going to show you how to use this website. And guys, this is how I create all my content. So if you're downloading like a content calendar from some marketer that says, you can have my calendar for 365 days worth of content, here's the thing. That marketer is now creating your content for you. How the hell would they know what your niche is, or what your niche wants to hear, or what questions you've answered in the past? What things have you done in the future? All of these things. You never want to be getting content from somebody else. You never want to be, I see this all the time. I see a lot of these Facebook ads where marketers are saying, download my whole 12-month content calendar. That means you're creating content based on a guess from somebody else, which is 100 times worse than you guessing in the first place. So guys, you want to come here. Now, the only way this works is if you have a niche. So if you're in health coaching, maybe you're helping women lose weight after their baby. Maybe you're a hypnotherapist and you're treating people for anxiety or depression. Maybe you're an RTT, you're helping people overcome past trauma. Whatever it is, you do need to have a niche, okay? So remember, we've said this before, health coaching is not a niche. Hypnotherapy is not a niche. RTT is not a niche. NLP is not a niche. That's the thing you do. You want to have a niche, which is a problem that you solve in a real market, okay? So now we've cleared that up. Once we're in Answer the Public, okay, all we want to do, and guys, don't worry about signing in. Don't worry about going pro. You can just use the free version. You want to scroll down here, and this is what we want to do, okay? So we've used this as a training tool before, so we use this a hell of a lot. I'm on this thing every single day. We teach all of our students to use this as well. And I actually came on here before, and I just typed in some keywords just to get it all set up for you guys. So what I'm going to do, leave this language, leave the region pro only, click on here, okay? And as you can see, I've typed in some keywords just so I can click on them and show you guys. So let's come here. Let's say we are in the niche of addictions. Okay, that's the niche that I help. I help people overcome addictions. I want to come to addictions. Okay, type in whatever niche it is. Okay, and I want you to press Get Questions. All right, and here we go. So what the Answer the Public has done is gathered all of the data from people researching using this keywords, like how to overcome addictions, what is addictions, things of that nature, and has pulled it all together in one platform, so it's nice and easy for us to use. So now we've got addiction as the keyword, okay, which is my niche. I'm going to come down here, and it gives me a visualization tool. Now, I don't like this. I find this quite confusing. So to get a sort of like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-step type thing, we can come over here to data, and you can see there has been 84 main questions, the most common questions that people with addictions are searching for, okay? That's key. Because remember, you want to be creating content based on what people are looking for. You never want to be guessing, okay? So then what I want to do is I want to come down here, and all of these questions, guys, from are addictions disorders? Can addictions be passed down? How addictions happen? Can addictions be controlled? Are addictions disease or choices? How do addictions work? What addictions are there? When addictions escalate and the individual loses? Where is the, what is that? Archery addictions moving to? I have no idea what that is. I'm not in the niche. What does addictions mean? Who gambling addiction, like a who type question, list of addictions, why addiction cures, all of these things. Now, contextually, they might not be right, so you just have to play around with the words, whether it's a why, a who, a which, a when, a what, all of this stuff. But you can see all the questions, guys. Can you see that if you created content just for all the can types questions, like can addictions be cured? Can addictions be genetic? Can addictions run in the family? Can addictions be good? Can addictions be healthy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, probably what, 20 or 30 questions here. Now you have 30 different topics for videos, 30 different topics for a blog, 30 different topics for a post or an announcement or a webinar, even a live speech in front of a live audience. And that's just one of the list, guys. Can you see how now you have unlimited amounts of content to create? So you can scroll to here, and addiction's not even a big thing that gets looked at, okay? Because you can see it's only 84 questions. But do you see this, guys? And this is a free tool. You can download all these questions as well as a CSV, okay? So you can store it on your own computer. But look at this, guys, okay? You'll never be stuck for creating content again. So let's go find another niche. Okay, you can do this with every niche. I haven't found one niche. I have not come across a niche that I haven't found on Answer the Public. Okay, so let's say I'm a health coach and I want to find out what are the common questions or concerns or what are people looking for in the context of losing weight. Okay, so let's type in lose weight. Okay, and you can imagine this being a way bigger niche. These are all the questions. Okay, so this is going to have a hell of a lot more. We'll just wait for this to load. Okay, it'll take a while depending on how many questions there are. So it'll come down here, just it'll take a couple of minutes or so. So just wait for this to load. Okay, so 165. Okay, so doubled. So you've got the visualization tool there. And please, by all means, use this, but I find it easier just by looking at the data itself. So now it's categorized all the questions from are, can, how, where, what, when, as you would imagine. But look at this, guys. Are laxatives good for losing weight? Can you lose weight by walking? Can you lose weight when pregnant? Can you lose weight eating 800 calories? How to lose weight in 4 weeks? How to lose weight in 2 days? These are the questions that people are asking. Real questions. What lose weight without diet? So you'll see some of this stuff, guys. Contextually, it's not correct. You couldn't write that out as a sentence, but you can understand what the question is. Okay. Can you lose weight without a diet? Okay. It's just categorize that in a what. Okay. Can you lose weight while breastfeeding? Okay. Where do you lose weight? Where will I lose weight? When will I lose the baby weight? When will I lose weight in my face? Now, this sort of stuff, and I'm not a health coach, I'm not into helping people lose weight, but I never would have thought about answering these questions. Okay, so how to lose weight in 1 month. Why do I lose weight when I've got cancer? What a great question to answer. Which vegetables help me lose weight? Which juices help me lose weight? Why do we lose weight on keto? Why do we lose weight after pregnancy, or even how? So you can change the context from where to who to how to which. Okay, but you can see all of these questions. Okay, so again, you have unlimited access to answering questions, and the best content you can create is by answering questions. Finding a question by, and this is just one of the tools that we use to create all of our content, by Answer the Public. Type in the niche, and then you start creating content from this. And you could literally just make a piece of content for the first one, then for the second, third, fourth, fifth. This will probably last you a whole year worth of content. Okay, so you're not guessing, you're not choosing, you're not downloading some content schedule from some other marketer who's randomly just filled in a calendar to try and sell it to you, that nobody's going to read what you create. No one's going to watch your videos. We even teach our students to use these questions to create Facebook Lives. What a better way. Like, have you ever sat in your office thinking, what should I do a Facebook Live about? Now you don't have to. You don't have to wonder. You come to Answer the Public and you ask the questions, and you allow Answer the Public to tell you what to create. All right, so let's do one more niche. I'm sure you guys are getting the hang of this. It's really, really simple. I'm really excited about this because this is a tool nobody uses. I don't think a lot of people really understand or know about this. And even if this was a paid version, I would still pay for this because this brings in a ton of money and also eyeballs, so to speak, and new clientele onto my content every day and every week by using Answer the Public. So let's do stop smoking. Okay. So what do people want to know? Okay, so this is what's going to happen, guys. So sorry you've reached the limit for free reports today. Okay, so every day you guys can come back here. It used to be 5, but obviously now it's 3. But I mean, if you've only got one niche, which is where you want to be starting anyway, guys, based on what I gave you, type in the one niche, download the CSV file, and they have all those questions written out for you. You only have to visit this once. Okay, if you get bored of that content and you want to change it up, come back to Answer the Public 24 hours. This will be reset and you can go through it again. So it used to be 5 searches, now it's 3, which I think is very fair. Like I said, I would pay for this version as well, but the free version is just good enough. Okay, so the pro version, unlimited searches, different languages. Okay, so you can go for the pro version if you want to, but guys, by all means, just use the free version like I said. So guys, this is Answer the Public. You want to make sure that you found your niche. You do not want to be guessing about what content to create. Once you type in your niche, download the CSV file or just copy and paste all those questions into a Word document and start creating content from these questions. And what you'll notice pretty much straight away is when you're doing your Facebook Lives, more people are going to show up because you're answering the questions that they have. When you create YouTube videos, posts, blogs, announcements, whatever you're doing for social media, and across all social media, guys, from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, it doesn't matter what you're answering. You want to be answering these questions on any of these social media platforms, even LinkedIn, and you want to be creating content answering these questions. The best content to create is always answering questions, but not just any questions and guessing, guys. You want to be using the Answer the Public tool. There are other tools we can use as well, but this is really the easiest to teach you guys straight off the bat, and filling up your entire diary with all of those questions and creating different types of content from videos, from posts and blogs, and so on and so forth, and just spread it out across all your social media platforms. So guys, that's all for me for today. Hope that was insightful about how you can create unlimited amounts of content and create your own content calendar for free. That's all from me for today. Again, my name is Scott Jansen. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.